Okay, Adam here from NetWise, and today we're going to look at the planning applications section, which is available on certain packages, depending on which one you've chosen from our different packages. So, if you look into the dashboard, the WordPress dashboard, you'll see an item that says Image Hotspot. Now, if you click on that, we will have already created a hotspot called Planning Applications for you and inserted the map of your local area. So when you log in, it should look like this. So in order to add planning applications, what we need to do is add popovers. So I'm going to create a popover and call it example planning application. And then the content can be anything that you like. So I'll just put information here. You could put the address if you want to, or you could put some brief description. Once you've done that, we need to add the actual marker. Now I prefer icon 4, this one, so I'm going to change that to icon 4. We'll leave the style as default. Pulse animation, put that on. Okay. And save that. Okay, so now what happens, you can see in the the top left hand corner of the map, you can see that icon that we've added, but it's just left it there by default. So what you would need to do is find the location where that planning application relates to. I'll just choose that street there, drag and drop, and then click on update. So that's how you can add a planning application to your map. There is some more functionality. If we wanted to link that to an external website, you may want to link that to the local council's planning applications section. What you would need to do is find the link from the council's website, which I've done there, copy that, and then go into this link. All we need to do is paste that into there, and if you want it open in a separate window, you'd choose blank, update that. So obviously we're still in the back end of the WordPress dashboard here, but you can see the map, you can see the marker on it there. If I go to the front end of the website and refresh the planning applications page, you'll now see that marker there. I can hover over it, there's information here, and also when I click on the link, it will take us to the external website, which is the council's website there. Okay, so then you can literally just add more planning applications by clicking on add more popover, and then just follow the same process again, and then that will start to populate the map, which will then be reflected on the front end of the website. Okay, bye for now.